welcome back to my channel. Today I will be unboxing my newest bag from Fashion File. So let's go ahead and open her up. All right, you guys, so we have the Louis Vuitton Montsouris PM backpack. So I am absolutely in love with this. If you saw my wish list video, this was on it. I mentioned upgrading my Montsouris BB that I actually got this year. And so for multiple reasons, and I'll start off with that and then we'll get into the details of the bag. I will have a full comparison video coming soon of these two in a separate video. But I ultimately decided to upgrade to this bag so I could store more items in it. And then I also just wanted a little bit more of a subtle look. So yes, you still have that monogram print, which is absolutely gorgeous. But I just think it's less loud than the monogram itself. And so I wanted more space. Y'all know, if you've been following me, that this has been my go-to everyday bag. I still anticipate this to be my go-to everyday bag, but I don't have to try and move things around as much. You can fit the essentials in here, but when you want to carry just slightly more, it does get a little difficult. I won't have that issue with this one. So yeah, I decided to upgrade. So a little bit on why I wanted to move to this one. It was also, again, just on the wish list. Didn't think it would happen this year, but I found this one for a really great price, and I will be trading in the Montsouris BB, and then it's only like $120 difference. So really great price, and y'all know I got the other one for a really great price as well. But yeah, here is the back. Again, got it from Fashion File. The empreinte looks absolutely amazing. You have your straps here, and they are adjusted to the longest size. Unlike the BB, these aren't detachable, but what's really great is that it's still a 12.75 inch drop, so you still have plenty of room in here. I did just do a quick try on, and I have just as much room with this at the end as I did with the BB at the end, so no problems there. It'll fit the same. The only thing that I really like is that this actually sits a little bit more upright because it's a full size. The PM is 10.8 inches in length, 13 inches in height, and then 5.5 inches in depth. I did get an organizer from Amazon that we'll put in here to help with the structure. On the exterior, you do have this little keychain. It is supposed to come with what's called a leather charm, and it has the LV. One reason that I got it for the price that I did is because I didn't have it. I honestly would have taken that off. Y'all know I don't like, I don't know, I just don't like those types of charms. I do it with my Coach bags too. I don't know, I'm not a fan of the tags. And so when I saw it was discounted because it didn't have that, I was like, I would have not used that anyway. So what's nice is that it does have the key charm. So I can still put another charm on here if I want. I could put my key pouch on here when I'm traveling. There's just so many different options. So I do like that it actually comes with that feature, even if you don't use the charm. You also have this front pocket, which the BB does not, and it can fit a phone. So let me open this up. This is the 13 Pro, so not the Max, but I think I saw the Max can fit in this pocket without a case, I believe. Here with a thick case is what the 13 Pro looks like in here. So again, normal size Pro with a pretty large case with a strap, right? And you could still close it. I'm just doing this one-handed. I love that this covers so you get that all black look. I do think it would probably get in the way though, but I don't mind. I just love that there's a pocket in here. So if I also want to throw in change or something, instead of it sitting in the bottom of my bag, I might just throw change and stuff in here. So I do like that feature that you just have a pocket. Of course, it's the all black empreinte, black leather pieces. Then you have that black interior. Oh, it looks like this one still has the sticker on the hardware, which is nice. And let's open this up a little bit. So you have your Louis Vuitton, And then a back pocket. We will cover what fits as well, but there is the interior. And you guys, I'm absolutely in love with it. I just think it looks so amazing. As you all know, I also recently purchased, well, maybe not recently, but this summer I got the Charms card holder because I wanted a black card holder. And the moment I got this, I knew I wanted a black Empreinte bag. And when I made my wish list, I put this on here just for this moment so I can have them match. And I just think it's such a cute little combo. I could also always throw this in here as well and zip it up and secure it, which is nice. So yeah, zip this part up and then we can go over what fits. I'll also show y'all the organizer. So here's the organizer that I got from Amazon. I have my iPad mini here. Obviously I just got it in. It actually came in the day before this did, but I'll have it linked below. There's different options and colorways. I always like for things to match. I really like this one because it had a zip pocket. It also had an external pocket so I could put my iPad in here. As y'all saw when I brought it over, you have a section for a water bottle, but you can also minimize it, which I like. And then you have these other side pockets. So let's put this in and then we'll see what fits. One thing that I noticed right away, and it's probably because this is leather and not canvas, the organizer does help it like sit upright. I don't know if y'all saw, but it's slouched a bit. So I'll probably always keep the organizer in here. I haven't really used the organizer too much in my BB, but that was primarily because I feel like it took away from the space. So yeah, let's go ahead and put items in here. So I have my iPad mini and that fits in here. Let me also grab my water bottle. So I'll put that in the water bottle holder. All right, and so that will fit. I have my sunglasses case that we'll put in here. And then one thing that I'm really excited about, because I watched a million videos prior to purchasing this, is that'll fit a GM agenda. So you can fit up to a medium ring agenda in the BB, but I could bring my GM if I wanted to. I won't, but I still want to show y'all how that fits. All right, so here's the iPad mini, water bottle, GM, and then sunglasses case. And interested to see how this fits. A full, yeah, so it will close. A full iPad, like an iPad 11 will also fit in here, like a regular size iPad as well. I don't have one, and my husband brought his to his friends, so I don't have one to show y'all, but that fits in here. Full size agenda, which is really nice. And then ultimately I just want to show y'all how I want to use it. So I have my PM agenda, and so this is my on-the-go planner that I want to use. I have my Chanel cosmetic case. This is my on-the-go travel items. So I have like hand sanitizer, purse spray, hair ties, like all the little essentials in there. And let me just say that in my BB, I wouldn't be able to fit all 4 of these in there without maneuvering it. So that's one thing, is that I don't, again, have to limit myself on what I pack in my bag. And I think that's ultimately the biggest restriction. I think the size can come in handy when it comes to the BB, but for me, I think it's important that I, especially for what I need the bag for, I don't mind the larger size. I don't really need a small size. I'm fine with carrying a larger size everywhere for on-the-go errands, because even though it's larger, it's still not that big. Like my tote, here's my new Marc Jacobs tote. It's approximately the same height, but this is a lot smaller. So just for comparison, I have my AirPods over here. So let's throw those in. We'll literally just throw them in. So we have that. All right, and then we have my keys, which we'll put on the side. And then my wallet, which will be my card holder. Currently everything's in my PM, but just for reference, those fit perfectly in that pocket. I still have room for everything. And I can put more stuff up top, which is nice, but that's ultimately what I probably would use it for. We can close this. and she's ready to go. And I can hold it by the top. As y'all see, nothing will come out. And I'm just so happy. So I am absolutely in love with this. First impressions, I'm just really excited to have this larger size and be able to carry more with me on the go. I will be using this to travel with next week. So it will be in my next pack with me. And then again, I will have a comparison between this and the BB and go over like different benefits of each. But yeah, overall, this is my new bag. A little bit about the details, what fits, and yeah. Other than that, that is going to be it for this video. If y'all have any questions, please feel free to let me know. And thank you guys so much for watching.